Hi, and welcome to the Technology Advancement Research. Today, we're going to talk about a comparative study for the business model and the research and development at NASA, at Boeing, at Airbus, with the US Air Force, Canadian Air Force, Canadian Bombardier, aircraft manufacturers, and Lockheed Martin. And we're going to talk about the renewable energy, their approach and their business model, and the research being conducted in these institutions and the companies. So, starting with NASA's Renewable Energy Testing Centers, electric aircraft prototypes, and research facilities. NASA's dedication to renewable energy is evident in projects like the X-57 Maxwell, which aims to revolutionize electric propulsion. The agency conducts extensive research on renewable energy systems, including solar panels with increased efficiency energy storage solutions, and the integration of hydrogen fuel cells in airspace applications by utilizing advanced simulations and computational modeling. NASA reduces the time and cost associated with traditional testing, accelerating the adoption of green technologies. On the business front, NASA's strategy hangs on collaboration, partnerships with the startups, universities, and established companies have turned NASA into an innovation hub. Through its Space Act agreements, NASA licenses its technologies to private firms, ensuring sustainable revenue streams while sharing research findings to stimulate industry wide growth. And now let's talk more about the US Air Force pioneering renewable integration and strategic partnerships. The US Air Force views renewable energy as a critical component of operational resilience. Research focuses on integrating renewable power sources such as solar and wind with advanced energy storage to create hybrid microgrids for the bases. Their renewable energy program is experimenting with liquid biofuels and exploring the use of wind tunnels to test aerodynamics with energy efficient designs. The Air Force business strategy revolves around focusing partnership with the private sector leaders like Lockheed Martin and Boeing. By sharing the financial burden of research and development, the Air Force reduces costs and accelerates innovation. Moreover, its contracts with sustainable aviation fuels create a ripple effect, driving demand across the commercial sector. So now let's move on to our next segment, which is regarding DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, US Defense, Disruptive Renewable Energy Research and Funding Models. DARPA thrives on disruptive innovation. Recent research includes the development of bioengineered algae for jet fuel and energy harvesting materials that convert mechanical stress into electrical energy. DARPA also finds AI driven simulations to model renewable energy and systems for extreme environments, optimizing designs before prototyping. DARPA's business model is unconventional. It operates on small, high risk, high reward contracts, often outsourcing projects to startups and academic institutions. By offering milestone based funding, DARPA minimizes risk while enabling the rapid development of groundbreaking breaking technologies. These innovations often trickle into the commercial sector, influencing energy and aerospace industries globally. Now, so let's move on to the next, which is the Boeing. Boeing renewable energy in commercial aviation. Boeing's focus on renewable energy revolves around sustainable aviation fuel SAF and lightweight materials. The company's Echo Demonstrator program tests renewable technologies from advanced wing designs to electric taxiing systems, reducing fuel consumption by up to 20%. Boeing is also investing in renewable energy powered manufacturing plants, ensuring sustainability across its supply chain. Boeing's business model emphasizes global partnerships, collaborations with SAF producers, government incentives, and co development initiatives with airlines like United have positioned Boeing as a leader in green aviation. Their focus on scalability and long term sustainability ensures a competitive edge while adhering to environmental regulations. And it's also important to talk about Lockheed Martin. So, for Lockheed Martin, defense meets renewable innovation, hybrid propulsion systems, renewable powered UAVs, and Lockheed Martin's R&D labs. Lockheed Martin integrates renewable energy research into its defense projects. Innovations include powered re- solar powered drones, hybrid electric propulsion systems for helicopters, and energy dense batteries for long term endurance missions. Simulations conducted at their Skunk Works facility optimizes these systems for both performance and environmental impact. Lockheed's business model leverages diversification. By integrating renewable energy into its defense offerings, Lockheed reduces dependency on fossil fuels, appealing to governments prioritizing sustainability. Additionally, their focus on multi domain operations, land, sea, air, and space, broadens market opportunities, securing contracts in both military and civil sectors. Now, we will also talk about Canada. For Canadian Air Force and the Bombardier, their renewable innovation in aviation. The Canadian Air Force leads in renewable energy adoption through the development of off grid renewable power systems for Arctic operations. Advanced simulations test the reliability of hybrid grids in extreme climates, paving the way for energy self sufficiency. Bombardier, on the other hand, focuses on eco friendly designs for business and regional jets. The latest Global 7500 jet incorporates lighter composite material and SAF compatibility. Bombardier's E2 program is researching electric propulsion for smaller aircraft with extensive testing in aerodynamics efficiency. Bombardier's business model centers on customization and niche markets by catering to high end clients and regional airlines. They maintain profitability while investing heavily in green technologies to meet evolving regulations. And now we are going to talk a little bit about Airbus. Airbus, a green revolution in aviation. Airbus is the forefront of renewable energy integration with projects like the Zero A initiative, which aims to produce hydrogen powered aircraft by 2035. Research focuses on cryogenic hydrogen storage, high efficiency fuel cells, and AI driven flight simulations to optimize designs for emission free flights. Airbus's business model emphasize collaboration across the supply chain, partnerships with energy providers such as Shell and Total Energies, ensure the availability of green hydrogen. Meanwhile, Airbus invests in digital twin technology to simulate aircraft performance, reducing development costs and timelines. Their commitment to sustainability extends to their manufacturing processes while it increasingly rely on renewable energy sources. So let's conclude now renewable energy and business synergy. Across the aerospace and defense industries, renewable energy is not just an option, it's a necessity. From NASA's collaborative research to Airbus hydrogen ambitions, each institution demonstrates unique approach to integrating sustainability into their designs and business models. Together, these innovations are not only redefining the future of aviation, but also contributing to a cleaner, more resilient planet. As we look to the skies, we see a promise, a future where innovation and sustainability soar hand in hand. So, in our next few videos, we're going to talk more about various other technologies as business models and research and development. So, you can always subscribe and share the video, and you will get more videos like this. Thank you.